Hey guys, so it's after 1. It's our first fire alarm since we've been at the apartment. Turn off the light. Always take care of my electricity bill. Okay, so let's see. Babe, come on. I don't know where the fire is. I just heard it. And what's it with Shirley? Shirley, we get her up with the just like the Lord. I don't know what has happened, but it was a fire alarm going throughout the building, and I just saw a Asian family that came down from our floor, and then when we went up to the emergency point, we only saw like a few people, and there are a lot more persons who live in the building, so I'm not really sure, I'm not sure what's going on. Matty went outside and we heard the fire truck. Where?
Outside. Outside. So General want to do this whole
You want to go back to the apartment without knowing what happened. Outside, we did smell some kind of smoke. So, obviously, all this adrenaline. When we go back to lie down in my bed.
start.
Alright, guys, so we're tired. Me tired. So,
I'm no longer tired.
well, Matty can tell the story, but
I have to wake up to go and talk to people. And Janelle never go talk to the people, Janelle just to sit down. I'm
gonna go sleep, and then when we wake up back, we will keep it back.
If you find anything that took place, because you never know what took place.
Story, right.
I found out what took place.
Come to bed. Good morning. Well, we already said good morning because we still have a story to share about the whole fire alarm incident. But now I'm getting breakfast prepared. My face is not in the frame, but
yeah. Journalist, so she set the frame just for her.
Because they're talking on the phone.
Yes, but
so,
you can see me, don't. Anyway.
So today I'm gonna make.
We're having a Jamaican breakfast.
I'm gonna make some ackee, so we're gonna try the canned ackee for the first time. I'm gonna pair that with some saltfish that I left to soak overnight. I know I'm boiling, and I'm making some fried dumpling. So that's gonna be breakfast. That's gonna be breakfast this morning.
Watch this. It's actually salt water.
Yeah.
I already thought. Can't afford that.
For it to be too salty, honestly. Alright guys, so stay tuned
and enjoy, guys.
Let's see what today has. And when Matty gets off the phone, we will share that whole experience of the fire alarm thing.
In the early morning. Yeah. Wake me up out of good sleep.
Whoosh, we're out of here. Alright, so I've done up my veggies. And okay, I have opened the can, and so let's see what it looks like. Okay. Alright, so I drained off the salt water. It looked like ackee. Yeah, it looked like it. It not look special or nothing. So I'm very excited to try it. Guys, really helped me out with my skin. Like, I don't know what has been happening with my forehead, but since I've been here in Canada, it a behave away, and I don't approve. Alright, so Matthew's gonna try the tin aki. How is it looking?
Looks good.
Smell like aki.
Pray for me. Because if they force open this aki, trouble.
You look them kind of look dry still. Need the aki. Alright, him now make up him face, so him go in again to try acquire the taste. It not taste bad. It not taste bad. But
it's interestingly firm. Because it has me a bit.
Probably them not boil it as long as we boil it. Okay, so
Then go on. No, let's eat food now, man.
and because your wife cook it. So we're out and stunting on the road going to Walmart to get some supplies to bake a fruit cake. Hopefully they have everything we'll need and you can make the fruit cake. And a while ago Matty nearly slide. Right, Matty?
I feel a little. They call that now. Ice underneath my foot bottom, you know? I'm a bit going over here, push me in the road, get it sick.
Yeah, so see you guys inside because my hands are freezing. Okay, so we went to Walmart and they didn't have any browning. So now we're going to the real Canadian superstore.
The weather kind of switched on us. It's got good, like big cold, it's not bad. But when the wind starts blowing, that's when it's really cold. Otherwise, it's good. And it's blowing like crazy now. A good amount. When you have a 12-minute walk to go. Someone gave us a 12-minute walk.
You wanted to go to the maybe that time I could have got the next one.
Yeah, the one that close. Never bring up on the walking when you have to walk too long.
People, Matty, I've been walking through the hills and the valleys of the snow, and I've been a drop. And I'm a laugh off of me way there. Boy, we made it. Headed to the superstore. Because previously, Matty have we stopped on one clothing store, and people have 60% off and 40% off, and we look on the price them $50 more, all $100. So we're just like, alright, let's move along. Okay, so we're home, but my phone had died, so we did take up the two little things that we need for make the cake. We couldn't find any. Yeah, it was too cold to be with it. It's a good thing my phone did, because Because probably I would have tried and I'd freeze my fingers for you guys, but my phone died. So we need like a GoPro or something other than my phone that we can just turn on and start videoing. So we bought we ended up buying this 0% alcohol fruit wine, and then we'll be mixing it with something else that has alcohol to give it the alcoholic flavor. So I bought, they didn't have any currants, so I bought prunes and raisins and mixed peel from the supermarket. So I'm gonna blend all of that together with the fruit wine. I am also waiting for the butter to get to room temp so I can, I guess, blend that up with the sugar, and and we're gonna see. He is rinsing out the blender to get that going. And Matthew says we're gonna start our own Christmas tradition where we eat ackee saltfish and fried dumpling the morning before, and the night before we make our Christmas cake and pork. Oh yeah, we eat pork. So yeah, let's get this done. Our first Christmas in Canada virus. Me and my husband. Alright, so we're blending up the fruits, the wine, and the fruits. Alright. Professional chef husband coming out with the nice clean cuts.
This is a butchering
of this piece of meat that we bought in the store for $20. It's a very big piece of meat, so you might cut it up. He might do some chops pieces, and then he's gonna like do some stew pieces. Lift up and let's see. Yeah, so him cut already, and that's what's left. Alright guys, so I used what was available to me and I made the cakes. So tomorrow we will see how they turn out. But for tonight,
I will eat one.
Alright, Matty will eat it. I don't know what air. If it tastes good or not. But tonight he will eat one. So good night guys. Yeah. Remember to always, babe. Remember to always
live, love, and encourage.